Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in your Honda CRV key fob. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in for this quick task. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually located near the key ring loop. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. It should separate with a slight click, revealing the internal components and the battery. Once the key fob is open, you'll clearly see the old battery nestled inside. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently lift and remove the old battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR 2032 coin cell battery and insert it with the positive or plus side facing upwards, ensuring a proper connection. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, ensuring they are securely closed. Once reassembled, immediately test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to confirm it's working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.